The power to tax is the power to destroy. John Maynard Keynes. As per the income tax, there are few provisions to take care of for the avoidance of fines, penalties, interest and notices from the department. In this video, I am going to share 5 important provisions which needs to be taken care of while complying with the provisions of income tax laws. Hi, my name is CA Jithendar Patel and I am on a mission to help small and medium enterprises with hassle-free statutory compliances. So let us understand. Number 1. Compulsory maintenance of books of accounts. If the sales, turnover or gross receipts from the business or profession is more than Rs 25 lakhs or income from business or profession is more than Rs 2.5 lakhs in any of the 3 preceding years, then the books of accounts will be maintained compulsorily. As per the Rules 6F of Income Tax Rules, list of books of accounts and records, namely cash book, journal, ledgers, copies of bills and receipts must be maintained. Further, the books of account shall be kept and maintained at a place where the person is carrying out the business or profession. Also should be maintained for a minimum period of 6 years from the end of relevant assessment year. Number 2. Compliance with the due dates. It is important for any business owner to comply with the due dates under the provisions of Income Tax Act. The list of compliance under the Act are: due date for payment of TDS, 7th of succeeding month; due dates for payment of advance tax, 15th June, 15th September, 15th December, 31st March during the financial year; due date for filing TDS return, 31st July, 31st October, 31st January and 31st May; due date for filing income tax returns for non-tax audit SSE, 31st July of relevant assessment year; for tax audit SSE, 31st October of relevant assessment year. Number 3. Compulsory audit. It is mandatory for a person who is carrying business or profession to get his books of accounts audited from a practicing chartered accountant on satisfying a threshold limit of turnover. In case of a person carrying on a business, audit is required if the total sales, turnover, gross receipts in business exceed Rs 1 crore in the relevant previous year. However, this limit 1 crore shall be replaced with 10 crores where aggregate cash receipts and aggregate cash payments in relevant previous year does not exceed 5% of total receipts and payments respectively. In case of person carrying on profession, audit is required if the threshold limit of gross receipts is exceeding Rs 50 lakhs. Person mentioned above would have to furnish audit report from a chartered accountant within the relevant due date as discussed. Number 4. Disallowance of certain expenses. The following expenses will be allowed as a tax expenses if paid, and hence the business owner need to be careful while making these payments. Some of the payments like penalty and damages paid in connection with infringement of any law, like payment of late fees under GST, income tax, etc. Damages and penalties paid for transgressing the terms of agreement with the state. Tax paid by the SSE, known as TDS, on behalf of the non-resident. Any interest, royalty, fee paid for technical services or other sum chargeable into Income Tax Act which is payable outside India or payable in India on which TDS is not deducted or deducted but not paid within the due date. Taxes paid on behalf of employees, payment in excess of Rs 10,000 and so on. Number 5. Deduction allowable only on actual payment. Certain expenditure is allowed only on payment which the business owner needs to take care of, like taxes, duty, cess or fee under any law for the time being in force, contribution to any provident fund or superannuation fund or gratuity fund or any other fund for welfare of employees, bonus or commission for the service rendered by employees, interest on any loans or borrowings from any public financial institutions or state financial corporation in accordance with the terms of agreement, payments in lieu of any leave at the credit of his employee, and so on. Hope the above discussion help in better handling of income tax in your business, and if it is the case, do share it with your friends. For more informative content, do like and subscribe to my channel. This is CA Jithendar Patel signing out. See you in my next video.